Hello everyone, and welcome back to Untold Pain Stories, the channel where you improve your English through emotional, inspiring and unforgettable stories. Today, we are going to hear the incredible life story of a woman who faced rejection, loneliness, financial struggles, and many failures before becoming one of the most successful writers in the world. This is the story of J.K. Rowling, the woman who created the magical world of Harry Potter and proved that one dream can change your entire life. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing English learning stories. Now, let's begin. The story of J.K. Rowling. Today, millions of people know the name J.K. Rowling. People know her as the creator of Harry Potter. They know her as a successful author whose books have sold around the world. They know her as a woman who created a magical world that inspired millions of children and adults. But before the fame, before the success, and before the world celebrated her name, J.K. Rowling was just an ordinary woman with an extraordinary dream. A dream that many people told her was impossible. A dream that faced rejection again and again. A dream that almost disappeared during the hardest moments of her life. Her real name was Joanne Rowling. She was born in England in 1965. From a very young age, Joanne loved stories. She loved reading books. She loved creating characters. While other children were playing, Joanne was often imagining new worlds inside her mind. She enjoyed writing small stories and sharing them with people around her. Even as a child, she felt that stories had power. Stories could make people laugh. Stories could make people feel understood. Stories could take people away from their problems. And one day, she wanted to create a story that would touch millions of hearts. But life did not immediately give her success. As she grew older, Joanne studied hard and followed her education. After university, she worked different jobs and tried to build her future. But inside her heart, she always carried the dream of becoming a writer. Writing was not just something she enjoyed. It was something she truly loved. Then came a moment that changed everything. One day, while traveling on a train, Joanne had an idea. A young boy appeared in her imagination. A boy who discovered that he was special. A boy who belonged to a magical world. That boy was Harry Potter. The idea was so powerful that she immediately started creating the story. She imagined a magical school. She imagined friendships. She imagined challenges. She imagined a world where people could believe in something amazing. For Joanne, it was exciting. But turning an idea into a real book was not easy. She spent years writing. She worked on every detail. She created characters and built an entire universe with her words. Finally, she completed the first Harry Potter book. She was proud. She believed she had created something special. But then she faced her first major challenge: finding a publisher. She sent her manuscript to different publishing companies. But the answers were painful. One publisher rejected her. Then another. Then another. Many people said no. Some publishers believed the book was too long. Some thought children would not be interested. Some simply did not see the magic inside her story. Every rejection hurt. Imagine working for years on something you truly love, and then hearing that nobody wants it. It would be easy to give up. Many people would have stopped trying. But Joanne continued, because deep inside, she believed in her story. She believed that one day someone would understand her vision. At the same time, her personal life was becoming difficult. She became a mother and faced many responsibilities. She was raising her child while trying to survive financially. There were moments when money was extremely limited. There were moments when she felt tired and uncertain about the future. But even during those difficult days, she continued writing. She often wrote in cafes while her daughter slept nearby. She used every free moment to work on her dream. People later saw the success. They saw the millions of books. They saw the fame. But they did not see the struggle behind it. They did not see the nights of doubt. They did not see the rejection letters. They did not see the moments when quitting would have been easier. But Joanne had something powerful. She had determination. Finally, after many attempts, one publisher decided to take a chance on Harry Potter. In 1997, the first book was published. At that time, nobody knew what would happen. Nobody knew that this small book would become a worldwide success. That slowly, readers discovered the magical world created by J.K. Rowling. Children loved Harry Potter. Parents loved Harry Potter. People everywhere connected with the characters and their emotions. The story was not only about magic. It was about friendship. It was about courage. It was about facing difficult moments. It was about believing that even ordinary people can do extraordinary things. Soon, Harry Potter became a global phenomenon. The books became incredibly popular. Millions of people waited for each new story. J.K. Rowling became one of the most famous writers in the world. But the most inspiring part of her story was not her success. It was everything she overcame before success arrived. Her journey teaches us an important lesson. Failure does not mean you cannot succeed. Sometimes failure is only a test of your patience. Many people see rejection as the end. But sometimes rejection is simply a step toward the right opportunity. J.K. Rowling received many rejection letters before someone finally believed in her. If she had stopped after the first rejection, the world might never have known Harry Potter. Her story shows us the importance of continuing, not because success is guaranteed, but because giving up guarantees that your dream will never happen. Another important lesson from her life is believing in yourself. There were many people who did not understand her idea, but she understood it. She knew the story she wanted to tell. She trusted her imagination, and that belief helped her continue during difficult times. J.K. Rowling also showed the power of creativity. She created an entire world using only words. She proved that imagination can become something real. A simple idea on a train became a story loved by millions. This reminds us that even small ideas can create huge changes. After becoming successful, Rowling continued writing and also used her position to support different charitable causes. She remembered her difficult years. She remembered what it felt like to struggle. And because of that, she wanted to help others. Her story is not only about becoming rich or famous. It is about turning pain into strength. It is about using your experiences to inspire others. Today, people around the world look at J.K. Rowling's life and feel motivated. Her story tells us that everyone has difficult chapters in life. Everyone faces moments of fear. Everyone experiences failure. But those moments do not decide the ending of your story. Your actions, your choices, and your determination can change your future. Before the world knew her name, she was just a struggling writer with a dream. Before people celebrated her success, she was someone fighting through challenges. But she kept going, and that is why her story became unforgettable. Because success is not created in one day. Success is created through thousands of small efforts. Every page she wrote, every rejection she survived, every moment she chose to continue, all of those moments built her future. The story of J.K. Rowling teaches us that dreams require patience, dreams require courage, and dreams require the belief that something better can happen. Sometimes life closes many doors. Sometimes people doubt you. Sometimes you doubt yourself. But one person believing in your dream can change everything. And that person can be you. J.K. Rowling's journey from a struggling mother to a world-famous author proves one powerful message. Never underestimate yourself. Never stop learning. Never stop trying. Because the person who struggles today can become the person who inspires millions tomorrow. Thank you for listening to Untold Pain Stories. If you enjoyed this English learning story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more emotional and inspiring stories. See you in the next story.